So this written expression activity increases awareness of the use of capital letters with students. So students are going to have to read a passage and determine where the capitalized words are and what they mean, or like the reasoning why behind their capitalized. They can make a list and identify that, maybe like on a T chart, for example, and then they can also make lists according to various classifications like cities, people's names, states, and months. So for example, if I wanted them to really look at proper nouns or people's names, I would have them highlight. They could read, so like Jim Hawkins lived with his mother at the Admiral Benbow Inn on the coast of England. One evening, an older sailor named Billy Bones arrived at the inn. Billy Bones handed Jim Hawkins a weathered map to Treasure Island. And they could continue reading and just point out, okay, where they see proper nouns and tell me why their names be highlighted and why they're capitalized. I think this is a great way to pay attention to different types of words and give reasoning for why words should be capitalized.